So I'm starting on the wings for Super Bowl Sunday. I'm going to wash these off, get them cleaned and seasoned, and put them in the refrigerator so they can kind of like sit and marinate. So here I am seasoning the chicken wings. I don't like to say exactly how much seasoning I use because you may have a different amount of wings that I do. But what I do is split the wings up into 2 gallon-sized bags. I put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in with Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, garlic salt, Italian seasoning, Lowry seasoning salt, a little pepper, and a little bit of lemon pepper. And then I massage the seasonings into the chicken. So here are the wings. I got them all seasoned and in the bag with a little olive oil and then my seasonings. And I'm going to set them in the refrigerator till Sunday when I'm going to cook them in the air fryer. Alright guys, so I just got the wings out of the refrigerator and I'm sitting them in my sink, my kitchen sink. And I got 2 bags of them. I would say, if I didn't even count them when I was seasoning them, I would say this is about 45 wings. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some paprika on these to give them a little more smokiness right before making them in the air fryer. Adds a little smokiness, and this smells so good. So smokiness and color from the paprika. So there they are. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on 400, and I'm going to put them on 9 minutes and go ahead and start it. After 9 minutes, I'm going to flip them. So here we are after 9 minutes, and they look good. They look really good. I'm going to flip them over. Oops. I'm going to go ahead and get them flipped. I'm not going to spray them down with oil or anything this time. Just going to flip them. So they are all flipped. I'm going to go ahead and stick them back in here for 8 minutes. Here they are, you guys. They are perfectly done. So I'm going to take these out. Well, you know what? I'm going to sit these back in because I like to sit them in the air fryer for just like 5 minutes to rest in the heat, you know, unplugged. But I have more wings to get done, so I'm going to take these out. So I have a full line baking sheet waiting that I'm going to be putting all the wings on. And I am going to, oh, look at that. Just going to go ahead and get my next batch in here. Here is the next batch, looking all golden and delicious. So I'm going to flip these over and I'm going to do 9 more minutes. This time I did 10 minutes on the first side, and I'm going to do 9 minutes on the next side. And this is the second batch of wings coming out of the air fryer. Once the air fryer gets heated up, it's heated up. So these got even more done than the other one as far as browning. So I did 10 minutes and then 9 minutes. I only did 1 minute extra. So this is how it's looking. All good and crispy. So I'm going to put it on the tray with the other ones, and I'm going to get another batch in. And here's the final result, you guys. I made some plain, some with butter garlic sauce on them, and some with barbecue. So it came out really good. Really good.